Gato jumped so happily. He fell off the roof and broke his knee. All his ribs and all his whiskers.
No.
And his little solar plexus.
No.
Ay caramba! Cried Don Gato. Meow. 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 The doctors all came on the run just to see if something could be done. They held a consultation about how to save their patients. How to save Senor Don Gato. Despite of everything they tried, poor Senor Don Gato up and died. No, he wasn't very merry. Going to the cemetery for the ending of Don Gato. I really love that cat. He would sit in the bathtub and he would watch you when you pee, when you wake up. Every morning you could just count on those little yellow eyes just staring at you.
He had a little cat mustache.
Oh, the cat mustache. How could we forget about the cat mustache? It wasn't quite as magnificent as Rory's, but it was so close. Like, it was the best cat mustache you've ever seen. I'm really gonna miss that cat.
You'd love it when I untie my shoelaces.
Oh, I hated that. That was awful.
You could distract him by getting a new pair of shoes.
No, that was awful. He broke so much shit.
I low-key hated that cat.
It was...
That was my cat, guys. What the fuck?
Yeah, fuck off.
I
Like, he was
low-key pushed the
annoying,
cat.
but... Oh, damn. Fuck you, Alfredo.
What? Why did it have to happen this way?